I get this question all the time from artists when they're like, we have a song and a music video for it. Do we release it on the same day together? Do we watch the audio only single first, music video first? So you're saying audio single first, like SoundCloud single first, release the song, and then 3 weeks later, music video?
Sometimes I release them both the same day.
Okay.
It really depends on what kind of content we have. If we only have 2 songs in a video, then we want to stretch that out because we want to keep you in the limelight as long as possible.
Okay.
So we do that. I don't like to release a video before your single, though, for this reason. The artists I work with tend to be upcoming. So if you see a music video for a band and you're like, that video is awesome, I want to listen to that song, you go to Spotify, it's not there yet. 2 weeks later, when it comes out, they've already moved on. They forgot about you.
It. Okay.
So it's smarter to put the song out, and then this way, when they see the video, they can add you to a playlist or buy it off of iTunes or download it on Apple Music. So you want to make sure that something is there for them to swallow, essentially, because I'm not working with Taylor Swift where I can say this song comes out in a month and people are writing it down and they're waiting for it to come out.
Putting it on their calendar and getting calendar alerts to go to like Spotify at midnight to listen to it.
Right, and that works great for her because she has intense super fans. But a lot of local upcoming artists, we need to strike where we can, and we need to get every eyeball and listener and follower that we can, and that's a missed opportunity if you put out something and then there's nowhere for them to find you.